Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Our rivals in danger, Samsung's Galaxy A57 sub-flagship breakthrough, certified and ready to shake up mid-range phones, with massive upgrades and almost flagship features. According to the latest news data, the new upcoming Galaxy A57 5G has cleared another certification, hinting at an imminent launch. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Firstly, Samsung is ready to launch its most powerful lineup, the Galaxy S26 series. On the other hand, Samsung is gradually clearing regulatory certifications for the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. Recently, the Galaxy A57 received approval from Singapore's Infocomm Media Development Authority, IMDA. This suggests that Samsung is preparing to launch the device very soon, likely in the coming weeks. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 5G was spotted on IMDA, with the model number SM A576BDS. The B confirms it is the global variant, while DS indicates dual SIM support. It confirms 5G connectivity along with NFC, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support as usual. This is not the first time the Galaxy A57 5G has appeared online. The device previously cleared BIS, 10AA, Bluetooth SIG, and a few other certifications. It also showed up on the Google Play console, and its CAD renders have already leaked, revealing the full design. All these approvals show that Samsung is completing regulatory steps in multiple markets ahead of launch. The phone should have thinner bezels, making it look more premium and modern as compared to its predecessors. Based on the latest analysis, Samsung may launch the Galaxy A57 alongside the Galaxy A37 in March or early April. The Galaxy A57 should feature a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It is expected to run on Samsung's own Exynos 1680 processor, which early benchmark scores suggest could deliver 15 to 20% better performance compared to the Galaxy A56. The phone will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 45 watts wired fast charging like its predecessor. On the camera side, the Galaxy A57 should feature a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. For selfies, it could offer a 12-megapixel front camera. The device is expected to weigh around 182 grams and measure close to 6.9 millimeters in thickness. In terms of software, it should run One UI 8.5 based on the Android 16 operating system out of the box. More details should surface as we get closer to the official release. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.